2019 we will see the big change in security environment. Cyber espionage challenge whole society and cybersecurity leadership and resilience. Why we need the cybersecurity? It is not possible to have a competitive welfare state in the future without the capacity to create a secure, robust and resilient cyber domain for the society. The cyber policy is about both the well-being and security of the nation. Especially the drones will change the security and environment. The drones will be the biggest threat in 2019 and in the future. We navigate the headwinds and the drones will rewriting the rules in society. 80% of the cyber attacks are targeted to critical infrastructure. What are the critical infrastructures? Electricity, banking and finance, transportation, logistics, media, telecommunication, national decision making, services for citizens, healthcare, water, heat, energy, oil and gas. Which means it's a very complex situation and it affects all of us. You here in the studio, you in the webinar and also for us. What are the targets for the cyber attacks? There are the military targets, political targets and targets in society. In the military targets are defense industry, defense administration and armed forces. And political targets are organization, activities and infrastructures of the nation's administration. Targets in society are critical infrastructure, critical information infrastructure, SCADA systems, business and industry, and individual citizens. When we look to society for cyber threats in 5 different levels, in political level, military level, economical level, technological level, and citizen level. And then the verticals where we have to look at the legal aspects, situation awareness, knowledge education, international cooperation, co-coordination, private-public partnership models, and the crisis management. It means that we are working with very complex situation awareness picture. This is even more complex when we are talking about the hybrid operations in information operations at hybrid era. We have information impact and manipulation about the information, and then we have a hybrid operation in the real life and digital mode, and there's always global impact and internet impact and growing need for the analysis reliable information, that we really know what's going in and what's going out. This is the one biggest issues in 2019.